Hey guys, welcome back to Random Video. Today I'm going to be playing some Pixel Gun 3D, and I already have this. I'm gonna land now. I'm gonna die now. See, I told the impulse gun. Okay, so got the sniper and this. I think I'm gonna do a crazy trick shot later. The same guy. And they both committed suicide. And really, this gun takes so. Really, this gun takes so long. See him. I've been crazy. Laser didn't work. Still bounce off the same way. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Nope, I'm still gonna die. I am dead. I'm dead. Yeah, that's what you get. What you get for interrupting in the master. Bang, I think it's AFK actually. It makes more sense if it was AFK because he didn't move at all. Just ran me through a bomb. Don't know why. Okay, I'm just gonna go up here. Dip. King Dino's coming back. Okay, I think it's time for no scoping. Okay, just gonna keep on shooting until I get a no scope. Bang, 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 bang. Has to be perfect. Bang. Oh, I just got a. Oh my gosh, I got a double kill. And it was a no scope. That's like the luckiest thing that could ever happen to me, but then I died. That sucks. Bouncy, was a good time. Okay. The same guy. That's what he gets for betrayal. I'm not really betrayal. Yes, it was an assistant kill. So I actually got him back. But why? I wonder why it didn't say revenge. Up in there. Yeet. Pet now. Can I eat some more? Oh, yeah, yeeted a kid. Okay, armor. Gonna take that. I know the king is down. I don't know why I'm using this, but I'm just using it there. Yeah. I know I should have used it. I could have gotten some more hits on him and probably killed him. I seriously don't even know where people are shooting me from, but I still got the win at least. Get the bunnies.